Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound ring calls on your Pixel 10a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings and change the call volume. What we're going to do here is we're going to go over and go to sound and vibration. Now here we got the call volume, as you guys can see here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to max it out. So my setting is already maxed out. So you guys need to make sure that yours is too. After that, what you guys want to do is go over to connected devices and go to Bluetooth preferences. And here go to Bluetooth and make sure that use Bluetooth is disabled. So there's no other devices connecting to our Pixel. Next, we got the earpiece right here. You will feel it once you touch it or just slide your finger on it. And we want to clean it with a soft brush. The soft brush does the job the best. And we want to make sure that it is clean so there's no dust blocking our way. Now, what else we're going to do is we're going to test another call or an app. So if you used the phone app before, then you can try calling up somebody again from here, or you can go over and do it on, like, let's say WhatsApp. And after that, what you guys want to do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now tap restart and the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is, as a last resort, reset your network settings or update your software. So what you guys can do is go over to system. Now go over here to software updates, and as you guys can see, my device is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. Of course, then you can scroll down to manage data and click reset options, and here click reset mobile network settings. Here you click reset settings, enter the password to make sure that it's you, and now it's done. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.